Guys, just got back from shopping at a couple of different stores, Walmart and Costco. So I'll show you what I got at Walmart first. Corn Flakes, 1 cup for Smart Points. Rice Krispies, also 1 cup for Smart Points. We got the huge boxes. They're delicious to make different recipes, snacks, breakfast items, baking items. Good ideas, guys. Pineapple from Walmart. Bananas from Walmart. Green onions. I have fresh parsley because I'm hoping to do a nice pasta salad, maybe a crab salad. Some lemons that I use in everything. And I love corn on the cob. That's great for any meal, for lunch, for dinner, for a snack. And red potatoes and some, I know you can't see them, but I love these pears, the Bosc pears. They're my favorite. They're so sweet and juicy. If you have a sweet tooth like me, I bought these. They're the Kurz toffees. Now, even if I have 1 or 2, I never eat 5 pieces, but for 5 pieces, they're 80 calories. I haven't figured out the Smart Points, but they're really low. And sometimes you just need a fresh mint. I love this flavor as well at Walmart, the raspberry flavored. And I like to keep them in my purse, in my car, just when you feel like something, or after dinner, you want to have something sweet. At Costco, I got the asparagus and a huge bag of strawberries. With the strawberries, I use it in my fruit. In my yogurt, in Cool Whip, as a smoothie sometimes. And I just like it even just in a bowl as a snack. I love that. And asparagus, of course, you can bake it, you can broil it, you can barbecue it, you can steam it. Some nice cucumbers for my salad. And I bought this Kirkland chicken breast meat. I haven't tried this yet, but I heard it's very good and it's in water. I have, however, bought these chicken skewers from Costco, 2 packages and lots of skewers. They're great. They're already cooked. So honestly, you can throw them in stir fries, on the barbecue if you want, in pasta, in quinoa, in anything, or just eat it like that as a snack for lunch, for dinner. Anytime is good for some chicken meat. And a nice barbecue chicken, just if you don't have a lot of time and you just want something easy to make. That's always great to have. My husband loves their chickens and they're such a good price. So that's what we got today. Oh, and these mangoes from Costco. Something sweet just to have. My daughter loves them. They're dried and, you know, you don't need to eat 7 of them. It says 7. I haven't calculated the Smart Points, but it is all natural and just for a nice different snack. I like to try different things or have different things in the house. So I know dried fruit can be higher in sugar, but everything in moderation, right? So just here, one last glance of all the things that I have bought that you can make. Baked potatoes, mashed potatoes. You can make those little round potato balls that I've made. Just microwave them. I love potatoes. They're my favorite. Okay, and the corn, just going over again what I've bought for meal prep. And hopefully this can help you guys as well. All right. And it's helpful for you guys. Alrighty. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Risa Weiner on YouTube. And visit me at Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa on Facebook. Love you guys.